Good day everyone, especially to you Sir Mark Glamayo. We are the Group 2. Our topic for today is all about theories in technology. Today, we will discuss about technological determinism. Technological determinism means that technology changes society. It says that how people live, think, and act, it depends on the kind of technology they have. According to Langdon Winner, people are not the masters of technology. Instead, people adjust to technology and became dependent on it. Examples: The medium is the Messages by Marshall McLuhan. The tool we use to send message like TV, radio, or internet is more important than the message itself. The invention of the stirrup helped horse riders fight better and lead to the rise of feudal societies. The invention of the gun changed how soldiers fought and made training easier and faster.
Good day everyone, I am Veronica Pacheco and my topic is social constructivism. Social constructivism says, wala ginakontrol sa technology ang mga tao kundi ang tao nagbuhat sa technology for their needs, creativity, and curiosity. So that technology become what it is today because human decide how to design. Unsaon paggamit sa technology ug unsaon pag-improve sa technology nowadays. So, in addition sa social constructivism is nako example para mapasayo. So, ang mga tao sana is kailangan man nila mapadali ilang communication. So, they invented cellphone and smartphone. Kaya lagi gusto man sa nila mag-travel around the world. So, they invented cars, airplanes, trains, and etc. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, next. Technological changes. Technological changes means making a new tools, machines, or ways of doing things that help people work faster and better. It increases production and make life easier.
So, good day everyone. Let's continue. According to Professor Frankel, for real change to happen, people must also be willing to adjust their ways of living and working to match new technology. So, ginapasabot ni Professor Frankel diri is kita as tao kinahanglan nato mo adjust sa bag-o nga technology karon, especially hinay-hinay na siya evolve, no? Daghan na kay technology nga mga bag-o karong nga panahon. Hinay-hinay na siya og ka upgrade, hinay-hinay nag-upgrade ang atong mga technology. So, kita kinahanglan dili ta magpabilin, no? Kinahanglan na pud tay knowledge kung saan na siya paggamit. Kaya saan na lang tay knowledge about ana, sige tagbuhat og mga bag-o nga technology, saan na lang di ta kabalo. Lain sa magsalig ta sa uban, no? So, mo na siya kinahanglan nato mag-adjust. So, next is according po kay J.P. Dewhurst said that technology means both new machines and new skills used by people. So, ang technology is bali na siya duha, no? Ang technology is duha na siya, which is ang machine mo na siya, then ang pagkaduha is new skills. Ang kanang new skills is mo na siya ang kitay nagbuhat sa machine. So kinahanglan pod nga kitay kabalo, dapat kabalo ta mo gamit anang machine.
My topic is about the process of technological change. So ano siya, tulo ka box stage. First stage is invention. This is initial act of creating something new, like a new device, product, or method of doing something. So siya mag-create ito tagkuan ng mga something new ba. Example is mga bagong device, bagong cellphone, or product nga itong mga eksperimentuhan o buhat ito. Muna sa first stages. And second stages is muna siyang innovation. This is the first time invention and put into practical use or introduced to the market. So siya, this marks the transition from a new idea to a tangible application. So mo to second stages, and the last stages is diffusion. This is the process by which an innovation spreads and is adopted by a wider audience over time. So factors like market share and cost and perceived benefits influence how quickly diffusion occurs. So mo to siya ang last stages.